My dear students, welcome to the online classes provided by Delhi Public School Dhaka. Today we are going to learn about time and tense. As you know, time indicates present, past and future time. It is independent from any language and grammar. And the concept of time is almost same in all the languages. It is non-grammatical thing. Let's see what is tense. Or tense is the study of the forms of the verb. The concept of tense is different in different languages. It is grammatical thing. And time is non-grammatical thing. The concept of time remains same in all the language, while the concept of tense are different in different languages. Let's see an example. I am buying a car next year. The verb is in the present tense here, but the sentence indicates the future time. So it is clear that the time and tense are two different things. They are not equal. Now let's see kinds of tense. There are three types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Let's see what is present tense. A tense expressing an action that is currently going on, or a state that currently exists, and that what is going on. For example, I eat, they are playing. These are example of present tense. Now, kinds of present tense. As you know, there are four types of tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Now, let's see usage of simple present tense. So, the very first use of simple present tense is to express universal truth, principle and permanent activity. For example, the sun rises in the east. The water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and honey is sweet, etc. etc. Another usage of simple present tense is to express regular habitual activities. For example, I get up every day at 5 o'clock. Another example, I take tea without sugar. Let's see another usage to show possession or ownership. For example, this book belongs to me. He owns a big house. Here, in this sentence, you can see here, I am owner of this book. It means this book belongs to me. And he is owner of this house. So overall, it shows the ownership over something. Another usage you can see here, to express human feeling, emotion. For example, we love our country. Another usage, to express scheduled events in the near future that are part of our timetable. For example, the party starts at 8 o'clock. The train leaves at 6 p.m. Next usage of simple present tense is in broadcast commentary on a sporting event. Generally, as you see in live commentary, for example, Murli throws the ball and Raina hits the ball for 4 runs. And the next usage of simple present tense is in exclamative sentences that start with here and there. For example, here he comes, there she blows. So my dear student, that's all in today's class, and next thing I will discuss in the next video. But remember, stay safe at home and also follow social distancing. Take care. Thank you and have a good day.